Hey guys, it's me, Got You Got 38 here. How are you? Well, I got some packages from eBay for the iPhone 11 and one from Amazon. All right, guys, so let's open them and see what we got. All right, so we're going to open up these. Actually, let's open the one from Amazon. I already opened it, but here it is. It's by Spec. It is the CandyShell Grip for the iPhone 11. Y'all know that I got the red iPhone 11, and I have my case I have on it now is the Apple case, the clear case. If you want a review or unboxing on that, just leave it down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and take that case off. I did. So here, the CandyShell Grip. I think it just slides out as so right here. Isn't that cute? So it's drop tested. Military specs. It is 2 layers of impact protection, and yeah, it's for the new iPhone 6.1 2019. Dual layer drop protection, raised bezel, screen protection, no slip grip, and is made out of this micro band material, lifetime bacteria product protection, and got a 1-year warranty. So, and here it is. I got it in the black and white right here. You got the Spec logo and say Spec here. You got the grips right here on the side. You got this big old camera. Open it on the back. You got all your ports and vibrate switch and power buttons on the side with the covered in rubber. So, and everything is open on the bottom. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put the iPhone in. It's going to say Spec on the inside. It's got that rubbery stuff on the inside as well. So, yeah. There you go. Got that bezel all the way around. I like that. So when you lay it down, your screen is not going to be touching this bezel wheel. And there it is. How it looks on the side, bottom, and this side. And here how it look on the back. Now, these are my 3 favorite combo colors, red, white. I mean, black and white with like a touch of red. So, yeah, I like it. Now, with the red iPhone, I don't think all cases is going to look good. Only like clear cases or a white or black case. But, yeah, so here it is. It looks good. I like. All right, so let's go to these eBay cases. I thought I ordered 4, but I don't see but 3, and I've already opened them, so save some time. So this one right here is by Rinky. It's a Rinky Fusion iPhone 11 clear. Okay, so let me see. I think you can tear it down here. Not tear it, but open it down here. Ew. Got some information down in here. All right, so here it is. It's a clear case. It's got a protective film on the inside of this, or is it on the outside? It might be both. Let's see. All right, here is the other. Okay. All right, there it is. Make sure you clean your case and phone before you put it in with these clear cases. So let's go ahead and put it in, wrap it around these corners. Ooh, looks good. So it has that lay on the table design here. There's all your ports are open. Power button. Your power button. It's enough room to get that switch up and down, and your your volume rockers are good. Very clicky. Power button, very clicky. So yeah. Then you have that big cutout for your cameras and your mic and flash. So yeah. It looks real good. Show the color of your phone, the Apple logo. Yeah, looks great. Don't look at my desk. Oh gosh. It looks good. I like it. Alrighty. Next. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know how it's gonna look on red though, but I'm hoping it looks great. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, ladies? Look at that. Or men. Nice, nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it. Let's go ahead and, come on now. Ew. It still look nice, even though it's red on red. I still like it. Aww, that's cute, especially like for Valentine's Day. Yeah. Okay, so on the back you got that big cutout for your cameras, mic, and flash. Up under the bottom you have your cutouts. Very nice, very precise cutouts too. Nice. It don't feel thick. You know, some of these cases like this feel a little bit thick. It don't feel that. Okay, it does feel a little thick, but not that thick. But it feels good in the hand. So there's your power button, and it feels good. And your vibrate switch is here, which you get it in there very good. And your up and down buttons, they're very clicky. Feels good, and it's cute. I like it. I like it. Now, let's see if it's going to be hard to get off. Because I know I had one like this for Christmas one time, and it was hard to get off. Now, let's check this one out. Uh-oh, I got a corner. Oh, got another corner out. So, yay. It's not hard to get off. Woo, thank you, Jesus. Let's see what this one is. This one feels a little squishy. Now, I know I ain't ordering nothing squishy. I hope I didn't. Okay. Oh, it feels cheap, y'all. It didn't look cheap on the website, but here it is. Yeah, it's a little flimsy. Oh. Yeah, it's a little flimsy. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put the iPhone inside. And there it is. It's still kind of cute though. I like it. I like it. Looks nice. Got that opening for your camera. Let's see how this button feel. Button feels good. And the bottom, really nice cutout for the bottom. Volume rockers, clicky, and I have enough room for that vibrate switch. So yeah. It looks good. I like it. Like it. So that was all my cases that I got from Amazon and eBay. Oh Lord, I'm dropping stuff. Amazon and eBay. And yeah, I hope you like them. Let me know what other cases you would like to see for the iPhone 11. And I will try my best to get it for you. And yeah, any more ideas on what I can show you with this iPhone 11. Yes, and I will be doing a unboxing and review on this Apple case. Ooh, look at them fingerprints. Apple case. So yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all have an awesome day. Peace. Doodles.